Here comes your pre-market summary for Wednesday, November 9th. It is the aftermath in crypto land that we'll discuss a bunch of things, a bunch of outcomes that have happened following the news yesterday of Binance picking up FTX.com. A lot of crypto stocks remain under pressure this morning. Crypto itself under pressure this morning. It's also the day after the midterms, but no results yet, no firm results anyways, coming out of the U.S. as far as who is going to control Congress. As a result, markets are pretty flat. To kick things off this morning, here we go. Look at futures right now, 0.12 to the downside, 0.36 there for the Dow. NASDAQ holding up a little bit better, about 0.4 in positive territory. But yeah, here's where the carnage is. Down here, another 5.6% for Bitcoin, another 8.6% for Ethereum on top of 10% move to the downside that we saw yesterday as the fallout, or maybe there's still more fallout to come following what happened yesterday with FTX and Binance. A ton of things to get to this morning as far as earnings are concerned on the stock side of things as well. That's the way the market looks right now. We are, as we saw, kind of flat to kick things off so far. Meta coming out this morning confirming, 11,000 job cuts to come. Their shares up about 4.5% here in the pre-market. So a nice look for Meta. They also reaffirmed their full year guidance and cut their OPEX for 2023, which is a good move as well, helping their shares to the upside. Disney, not so much. Yeah, more losses on the streaming side of things to come for Disney. Down big time here in the pre-market as the streaming wars continue. For Disney, we'll have a look at that. Upstart downside big time as well following an earnings miss. We'll talk about AMC, not really doing much here. A wider Q3 net loss, but shares are pretty quiet in the pre-market. We'll talk AMC earnings, though, and what could come from those shares today. Lucid back to the downside as well. They reported quarterly reservations down, and they also got a lot more cancellations in the latest quarter than they were expecting. AFRM, huge move downside as well. Earnings missed. They cut their forecast going forward. And yep, Elon was in there, as we suspected, selling after he picked up Twitter. $3.5 billion or almost $4 billion worth of shares being sold by Elon. What a daily chart for Tesla. On the watch list this morning, guys. Grab it. Use that QR code right now under your email address. Then come join us at 8:30. We're live coming up here on TraderTV.Live.